Hi, good morning, everybody. How are you all doing? My name is Tony Bironke, and I'm here to show you my link tree. This is a link where I advertise my products, and as you join the business, you are going to be using this because I'll be helping you how to do the link tree so that immediately you are able to set this up. You can send the link to your clients or to anybody, and they will be able to go through all your products that you are selling at the same time, because they will be able to go there directly. So let me just show you what I did here. This is the link tree aspect of the business. That is another way of digital marketing. So here is my picture, and here is linked to my Instagram. So here, if you see that I wrote join franchise now, so if you click on, if any of your clients is interested in joining the franchise, they are going to do what? They are going to just click on the join franchise now, and it takes them to where they're going to fill the form just directly. This is the franchise form. It's $52 applicable fee required. You're going to fill your name, first name, middle name, your social, your gender, your date of birth, and you move on next, and that is the way you'll be able to do what? You will be able to sign up yourself. And then immediately you sign up yourself, you have four things to do. You have five things to do here to add a new representative. So it's as simple as ABC. You submit immediately, you finish filling up this form, and that is a very quick link. So this is where you can get your franchise. And also the berry blend, for those that would love to buy the berry blend, immediately you post on Instagram about berry blend, they can come here and see the berry blend, which is $25 per month. They're going to give you 4 months supply. So here is the person can read what it is, and you can also pay immediately. So if you want to pay for the 4 months, you can take the monthly payment. That is, you're going to pay 4 times. But if you want to pay for the full amount, it is $100. So the person can click on $100, or the person can click on the full amount. Add the quantity if it is 1 or 2 or 3, and then add to cart, and the person can pay. So it's as simple as ABC. If you join my team, these are the things that I will be helping you to set up. Another one you can also do just the same thing. It goes to every product that is set up that Juice Plus is selling. As you can see it, you can see the payment also is like 300 for 4 months supply, but you can pay 75. So you put the quantity just with the tax and everything, and it also shows them other product that they have. So if you click on any of these, it takes you to the product immediately, as you can see. So it's a link that helps you to do what? Helps you to sell to your, helps your customer to sell without even to buy without disturbing you. It's so simple. Now we have one-time shipment here. So if you want the delivery to be every 4 months, you leave it. But if you want it to be just one time, you just click on the one-time payment. You can see it's so easy. Your clients, your customers, as many people that you want to send to, you can see all the shakes here, and this is how they buy the product. You can see fruits and vegetables. This is how they buy it. These are amazing products. I cannot tell you, these are amazing. The results are amazing. So let me leave you to that. So we're all teaching about a link tree today, and then you can see the shakes. Then you can see the full website if anybody want to go to the full website and read about the information. And also you can see that you can also join the WhatsApp group. So you are going to be having a WhatsApp group, like a community where you can talk to people and you can help them grow. You can help them get their transformation. So this is my WhatsApp group, and you can see that it has taken me to my wellness club group. So this is my group where I talk to people, and I talk to my friends, and I tell them how they can make life easy for themselves. So that is the way I promote this business for you. If you join me, I will be glad to help you out to set this up for you, and it's going to be very easy, very easy for you to also talk to your client. So with this, you can click your link and then you can put it on Instagram. So I'm going to show you where it is going to be on Instagram. So I'm going to take you to my Instagram page right now. This is my Instagram page. So here is my Instagram page. Now, this is my Instagram page and I have the link here. You can see the link is here. This is the link. This is the link. So if you want to put your link, you click on edit profile and then you can see the link here. This is the link. This is the link. This is the link. So all you need to do is your website. You just put your link. I already copied it and I put my link. So this is my link to my website. No, let me go back. I'm going to copy my link in my link tree. I'm going to copy this. So it's been copied and then I'm going to take it to my website here and I'm going to paste it there. So as you can see, that is my website. So all you need to do is you click on this and then it's done. So if anybody goes to my Instagram page right now and I told them that they should check franchise here, so when they click on this link, it takes them directly to my what? To my business. This is where the business is. This is where the business is. This is where the things are happening. So they can do whatever they want to do and they can just go easily without disturbing you or without, if they have any problem, they can check on you. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. So let's have a wonderful time, even as we help people to build and we also build ourselves too. Thank you so much.